Hello everyone, my name is Vince. Why? Why am I on Brickbuster today? I'll tell you why. I've been hammered with advertisements for Brickbuster. Guys, Brickbuster promises real life money to use the app, okay? You use Brickbuster's app, you win hundreds of dollars. We've all seen the advertisements out there. This is without a doubt the biggest scam going around town. Do you know how frustrated I am, dude? As someone that just wants to use apps without getting bombarded by these ridiculous ads from Brickbuster. Guys, get the premise of this, okay? Use the app and win real life money. That's legitimately the premise, okay? The big scam is, do you want me to let you in on this bit? The big scam? I'll let you know why this is the huge scam, okay? What happens is, you will earn money at the start of Brickbuster, okay? You will continue to earn quite large amounts of money from rewards in Brickbuster. But the scam is, it's actually programmed as time goes on to reduce the rewards, okay? There is no random system. There's no, like, you know, gambling, casino experience on this app, okay? This is legitimately programmed to completely scam the user. Guys, if you are wasting your time on Brickbuster, please stop now. I am showing real life reviews of Brickbuster on the screen as we speak, okay? This ain't no paid review like the app developer has done. If you look at the 5-star reviews, you'll notice that it's all 5-star gibberish pretty much. It's the biggest scam, dude. He's paid for he's bought reviews 5 stars to make his app look legitimate. I don't even know if it's a single person, by the way, or if it's a big company, but I've seen tons of these apps out there. Hyperplinko is another one that reminds me of Brickbuster. It's got the same little ball there, sort of. It's all the same concept, everyone. Play the app, make money playing the app. Do you know what I mean? Like, use the app, become a millionaire. It's a joke. I use and play these scam apps so you guys don't have to. People might be asking me, why don't I show legitimately money-making apps? Well, why would I? I'm here to show you guys the scams right now, so you innocent people don't get screwed over by these developers, dude. I don't care about the real-life money-making apps. I'm here to show you scams. I want to save you guys, dude. I mean, I don't know. It makes me go crazy how these apps are still surviving on the Play Store. Do you want me to tell you why they're still surviving, guys? Because they bring in huge amounts of money for Google. It's as simple as that. And I'm not ashamed to say it, dude. Like, whatever. I know I'm on YouTube right now, and I know I have ads as well on YouTube, but I'm actually creating content. I mean, it's not the hardest content to make in the world. It's easy, dude. I'm not saying this is hard, but this is a scam. I'm calling this as I see it. This is the biggest scam ever. I'm not here to try and become a professional YouTuber or anything like that. I'm here to show you guys scam apps. I don't put heaps of effort into my videos, trust me. I'm just having a blast doing this. And I hope you guys are enjoying me just pretty much every day, just sitting down and showing scam apps. This is it. This is the epitome of a scam app, everyone. Look, you got the spinning wheel here as well. It's just a joke, dude. They actually, look, 100% chance to win if you watch a video. Yeah, that's great, developer. You're a legend, dude. That's fantastic. The fact that apps like this exist, though, it infuriates me. And they're still going around now. Brickbuster's still going around. I mean, the developers, I think, of Hyperplinko have changed the name of Hyperplinko now. Just an FYI. A lot of these developers are trying to get smart and changing their app's name to think that, you know, we won't catch on. And I know why as well. It's because of my YouTube videos. 100% is because of mine and other YouTubers' videos on their apps calling them scams. I don't know how many people are legitimately calling them scams like I have, though. Like, I'm not scared to say that these apps are scams. I could not care less. I don't have endorsements from these developers like other YouTubers might to say that they're legit apps. These aren't legit apps. These are a joke, and I really hope Google does something about these apps to take them down, okay? It's pathetic. It's a pathetic situation. Look at this. Just look. I need 3 million coins to cash out an Amazon gift card. I only have 5,000 coins. Oh my lord. Could you imagine grinding up 3 million coins on Brickbuster? it kills me. It just hurts me emotionally. It hurts me. As someone that's done YouTube for so long, it hurts me, everyone. If you don't know, I have an actual channel on YouTube dedicated to playing proper apps and, you know, games. And I've been on YouTube since 2006, in theory. I still have my original channel, and my other main channel is 2012. It's crazy. It's verified. It's everything, guys. I have a legitimate channel, and I've played all types of apps in my life. But what I've experienced in the last month of covering scam apps, it's just blown me away how much trash is on the internet, dude. Every time you notice, it'll come up with that spinning wheel as well. Oh, watch this video ad, dude, and you can, you know, spin the wheel. I couldn't care less. It's all rigged anyway. It's all fake. No one will ever get the rewards. These little cash out, you know, oh, someone just cashed out $100. Someone just cashed out $200. Oh, someone cashed out $2 with Amazon. Alright, you Muppet developers, how is someone going to cash out $2 with Amazon when you need 3 million coins to cash out? What, you're telling me if I grind up 3 million coins, I only get $2 in real life? I mean, what planet are you on, developer? Your scam is that bad. You have no idea. I mean, do they even know maths? Do these developers actually know maths? Whoever made this app, you should be ashamed, bro. Sorry, but you're scamming thousands upon thousands of people. Just makes me sick. You can tell I'm angry. I'm not joking, guys. If this channel's legit, I ain't scared to tell my opinion or tell you my opinion. Do you know what I mean? Brickbuster, I hope it just gets deleted. I hope your app gets deleted tonight. Seriously, I really hope that people report your app and it gets taken down for being a scam. We need it. Dude, us as a community, we cannot allow these apps to flourish the way they are. They're paying Google huge sums of money to advertise their trash all over the internet, right? And Google allows it because of what I just said then, huge amounts of money, okay? You got to consider this. Look, I want to spin the wheel to try and win 2 cents, 1 cent, and $5. Let's see. Look, I'll humour the app. Let's watch this ad. What's your secret? When I want something, I want it quick. That's why I play solitaire. Oh my god, get off my screen, you stupid Muppet of the Earth. Woo! I'm getting frustrated. I gotta calm down. As I said, after trying this for so long, dude, it just makes me so angry. Your balance is $10,000! You received $10,000 from PayPal. Dude, the ads don't even care anymore. These people don't even care. They don't care, everyone. This is the biggest joke that ever walked the earth. Oh my lord. I can't believe that Brickbuster is even allowed on the internet, let alone this app here. What a situation. What a joke. Man, as I said, I hope Google comes down here. I really do. Let's see what I win. You ready? I watched the video ad. What did I get? 30,000 coins. Oh, I actually won 30,000 coins, everyone. What can I do with those coins? That's right. Absolutely nothing. Nothing. You can win nothing. You do nothing with the coins. This app's a joke. I just can't handle it. I only made this video to make sure you guys understand what's out there, okay? Please, or what you're in for if you actually try Brickbuster. Please stay away from it, okay? Alright, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. Check out my other content. I cover all types of scam apps, like I said. I'll catch you all in the next video. See you around.